Okay, so I'm Jadlyn Reyes. So I'm a graduate of BS Accountancy, a registered associate financial planner, a licensed financial educator, a certified life licensed underwriter at isa sa mga CEO marketing director sa IMG. So andito ako sa IMG for 6 years na, and right now doing this campaign or career as full-time. Ayan, so sino ba si IMG, no? IMG stands for International Marketing Group, and we have this global campaign for financial education. So worldwide po tayo, no? Yung mga OFW, kung saan may Pinoy, andun si IMG, nagtuturo ng financial education. And we are committed, no, to this mission of educating 30 million Filipino family by the year 2030. Ayan. So right now, our topic will be basics in mutual funds and stock market investing. So build long-term investment. So ito yung matutunan natin ngayon, the two types of income, power of compounding interest, understand how money works, two ways of investing in stock market, types of mutual fund, at ano yung mga advantages of investing in mutual fund. So two types of income, active income, income from your direct labor, yung pinagtatrabahuan natin, no? Kumikita tayo dyan. So if you're a lawyer, may kliyente ka, then you get income. Sa konduktor, marami kang pasyente, then maraming income. Sa mga OFW o seafarers, hanggat may kontrata nasa ibang bansa, no, may income. Pag uwi sa Pilipinas, wala na, no? Kaya active income lang siya. The second type is passive income. Income keeps coming even if you are not working. You stop working, your income continues, no? Ito yung sa mga mayayaman na kumikita sila ng passive income because, no, nag-i-invest sila. So this is coming from their interest income from their investments like mutual funds, stocks, no, bonds, or long-term care. May mga negosyo, they get royalty income. May mga pinapaupahan, then they get rental income. So try to check right now, no? What kind of income do we have? Is it an active income or passive income? So we will help you build your passive income, no? Kasi hindi pwede na habang buhay tayong magtatrabaho. So we need to learn, no, how money works para papalaguin natin yung ating perang pinaghirapan. Ayan. At may naimbento si Sir Albert Einstein, no? It's a formula na tinawag niya Rule of 72 or the power of compounding interest. So dividing the number 72 by the interest rate of your savings or investment will give the estimated number of years it will take for your money to double. So for example, no, meron tayo ngayong 10,000 pesos. And then nilagay natin sa bank. Tapos binigyan tayo ng 1% interest per year ng bangko. So kailan dodoble yung ating 10,000? So using the formula, 72 divided by the interest rate, which is 1%, equals the number of years our money will double. So yung 10,000 natin, magiging 20,000 after 72 years. Diba? So ang tagal. Kaya kailangan nating malaman yung mga investment vehicles na binibigyan tayo ng higher interest rate para mas mabilis, no? Mabilis tumubo yung pera at mabilis nating makuha yung ating mga financial goals. Ayan. So let's say for example, no, we are age 21 right now at meron tayong 100,000 pesos. Kapag ilalagay natin yan sa bank, no, as time deposit, ayan, let's say for example, 4% yung binigay ni bank. So using the formula, 72 divided by 4, the interest rate equals 18, meaning money doubles every 18 years. So 29 plus 18, that's 200,000. Another 18 years, retired na tayo, that's 400,000. Question, sapat ba yung 400,000 pag retire natin? At age 60 or 65, kulang na kulang talaga yan. Diba? Hindi pa yan sapat sa pangtusto sa pagkain, sa mga maintenance, mga medicines and check-up and everything, diba? So, yung pera natin sa bank, no, hindi natin alam. Nire-reinvest din yan ni bank. Hindi yan natutulog sa vault. So, nire-reinvest nila to 8 and even 12% interest na completely legal, no, na mga investment vehicles. So, sa 8% every 9 years, dumodoble na siya. Kaya at age 65, yung pera natin umabot ng 1.6 million. Diba? But ito yung mas maganda, mas nire-invest pa nila to a higher interest like 12%, no? At age 65, yung actual value ng ating pera pala na ginamit ng bank, ni-reinvest, is 6.4 million. No? Yung 400,000 yung naibalik sa atin and the 6 million remains with the bank. Kaya nga, no, ang dami-daming bangko yung nakikita natin sa ating bansa, 'di ba? Napakalaking business niyan. Kasi nga they use the money of the depositors, 'di ba? And reinvest it. So sa IMG, we will help you and teach you, no? Kung saan mismo si bank nag-i-invest, doon din tayo mag-i-invest para kikita tayo sa sarili nating pera. Okay? Yan. So how do you want to make 6 million? No, there are two ways. You can work, no? Pwede tayong magtatrabaho or you let the money work for you, no? To have your 6 million. Kung tayo yung magtatrabaho, how many years, no? It will take for us para maabot yung 6 million. Kasi for example, no, yung may income ka na 200,000 per year. So you need to work for 30 long years. No, hindi pa yan kasali yung mga personal needs natin dyan, kinakain natin, di ba? Everyday na mga ginagasto natin. So matagal talaga. But if alam natin how money works, no, and get that 6 million, mas madali, no? Option 1. If you have 100,000 right now, ilagay mo yan sa 12% na interest rate, no? In 36 years, that would give us 6.4 million. Kung wala pa tayong 100,000 right now, ayan, option 2. Kung kaya mong mag-ipon ng paunti-unti, 1,000 per month, no, in 12% interest rate. At 36 years, 6.4 million din yan. So, di ba? So, kahit paunti-unti, no, it doesn't matter na wala kang malaking pera right now, but learn the habit of consistently saving and investing. Okay? So, build long-term, no, na investment. So, tayo ito, no, kung yung pera natin nilalagay lang talaga sa bank, di ba? We are called depositors. Yung pera natin is a savings account. And then, no, yung pera natin nire-reinvest ni bank sa government securities, commercial papers, stocks and equities, pinapautang, no, retail loans sa mga credit card, housing loan, car loan, and business loans, and even real estate. Diba? So, ang laki ng tubo. Pero, ang balik sa atin as depositor is less than 1%. Diba? Whereas, sa mutual fund, no, investor ka or isa kang shareholder, no, yung pera din natin kumikita ng 12% dahil ini-invest din dito. Ang maganda lang, no, balik sa iyo lahat, 'di ba? Yung kita from your mutual fund investment. So mas maganda, mas mabilis nating ma-build yung ating financial goals. Okay? So how much can you save to achieve your goals? Kung kaya mong mag-ipon ng 1,000 pesos in 35 years, that's 5.8 million. Di ba? Kung kaya mong dublehin, 2,000, that's 10.9 million in 35 years invested in 12% interest rate. O, diba? So, talagang makaka-retire tayo ng maaga at yung lahat ng mga financial goals para sa pamilya natin, no, madi-deliver natin. So, always remember, the higher the yield, the higher the risk. So, know your risk tolerance. Sa pag-i-invest, talagang may risk yan, no? We cannot eliminate the risk, but we can reduce it. And the best way to reduce the risk, if you want to invest in stock market, is to invest in mutual fund. Okay? So what are the types of mutual fund, no? So we will invest with a goal, no? Kung ano yung gusto nating ano yung mga financial goals natin, then pwede din nating doong i-invest yung ating mutual funds. So I will share 3 types of mutual fund right now. The first type is a bond fund. So si bond fund, this is a conservative na mutual fund para to sa mga low risk, no, na type of investors. So mostly dito is ini-invest sa mga fixed income instruments such as government securities and corporate bonds o pinapautang sa government. And the main objective is capital preservation and reasonable growth. Or gusto mong ma-preserve yung pera mo, no, short term like 1 to 2 years to preserve from inflation and taxes, you can invest in bond funds. Okay, so 4 to 6% per annum yung tubo or interest niya. Ayan. While balanced fund is a moderate risk type of mutual fund that invests in a combination of equities. So combination siya ng equities at saka fixed income instrument. And the allocation varies according to the fund's objective. And the main investment objective of the fund is for medium or long term. So let's say yung goal mo is nasa 3 to 5 years. So pwede mong ilagay sa balance fund. Nasa 12 to 15% per annum yung tubo or interest niya. At the last type is stock funds. So ito yung pinaka-aggressive type of mutual fund that invest mostly in shares or stocks of corporations. And the main objective of the investment is for capital growth and fund appreciation for a long period. So, long term, 5 years or more na mga goals mo, you can invest in stock funds. So, 15 to 18% per annum yung tubo or yung interest niya. Okay? So, right now, no, may titingnan tayong tatlong scenario sa mutual fund. No, i-check natin saan tayo magigain. No? Okay, let's say dito sa scenario 1, the price of stock rises. So maganda yung ekonomiya, no? Pataas yung prices ng shares. Scenario 2, the price of stock drops and gains back. So may mga crisis, bumagsak, no, yung price, but naka-recover naman siya kaagad. Scenario 3, price of stocks drops and rises slowly. No, nung nagka-pandemic, ngayon, no, na may pandemic, bumagsak talaga yung price. At napakabagal, no, hindi siya nakabalik sa original price niya. No, yung pag-recover niya is very slow. Okay? So, i-check natin, no, doon sa tatlong scenario, kung kikita ba talaga tayo sa mutual fund. Let's say, for example, tayo ito, nag-invest ng 1,000 pesos per month. Ayan. So, consistently, straight for 6 months. Okay? So, yung 1,000 pesos natin, ibibili natin ng shares. Sa month 1, yung price is 10 pesos. Kaya nakabili tayo ng 100 shares. Sa month 2, 12. Ayan. Kaya konti na lang din yung nabili natin kasi mas mahal na. And so on hanggang month 6. So, after that, no, nag-decide ka na i-withdraw mo na. No, but of course, dapat long-term yung pag-i-invest. But for the sake of example, no, i-check natin ngayon, i-compute natin kung magkano yung ating kinita, no, sa mutual fund. So to compute, i-total natin lahat ng shares na nabili natin from month 1 to month 6. And that's a total of 422.81 times the last share price, yung huling share price sa month 6, yan, which is 20 pesos, equals the total value or the investment natin. No? Umabot ng 8,456.2. Magkano lang ba yung nahulog natin? No? That's 1,000 times 6 months, 6,000 pesos. So, kumita tayo ng 2,456.2, no, over 6 months sa scenario 1. Sa scenario 2 naman, yan, bumagsak yung market and yet consistent tayo sa pag-i-invest. No? So, from 10 pesos naging 7 pesos, kaya mas marami tayong nabiling shares. Okay? Hanggang month 3 and then slowly nag-recover sa month 6. Bumalik na siya sa original price niya na 10 pesos. Again, to compute, let's total the shares. That's 852.5 times the last share price, which is 10 pesos, equals the total value or investment. So, umabot ng 8,525 yung perang ininvest natin sa mutual fund. Less doon sa ininvest natin or capital, which is 6,000, ito yung ating gain over 6 months. That's 2,525. Yan, so masaya pa rin tayo kasi may kita sa mutual fund. But let's check. Scenario 3. Yan, the price of stock drops and rises slowly na kahit may pandemic, may mga crisis, calamities, bagsak na bagsak yung market but consistent pa rin tayong nag-i-invest. O diba? Umabot na siya ng 2 pesos, 1 peso, and then rises slowly. Ayan. So, let's compute. Magkano yung gain? O, nagkumita ba kaya tayo dito? So, total shares, that's 2,550. Times the last share price of 5 pesos, total value or investment is 12,750. Less doon sa nahulog natin na 6,000 or capital natin. Ayan. Gains after 6 months, 6,750. So question, no, bakit ba kumikita tayo sa lahat ng scenario, no? Because we use the strategy na buy and hold. no? Peso cost averaging. Whether the market is up or down, no? Nag-i-invest tayo consistently. So that's the key, no? Na kailangan tuloy-tuloy yung pag-i-invest, no? Dapat consistent. If we try to check, no, sa market performance ng ating bansa over the years, ang dami ng pinagdaan ng mga crisis, no? So every time may crisis, talagang bumababa yan. Kaya nakikita natin itong green line of fluctuating yan, no? Para siyang lifeline. But ito, if we try to check this arrow, no, going up, ayan, over long term, kikita talaga tayo sa stock market, sa mutual fund. Basta't mag-buy and hold tayo, no? Yung bibili ka, you invest, and then you hold, you let it grow. Hindi yung mag-invest ka ngayon, next month withdrawin, or after 1 year, withdraw na agad, di ba? So, hindi natin ma-appreciate yung value or yung tubo ng ating investment. So, always think long term, no? Ito yung nire-recommend natin. Ayan. And how does a mutual fund works, no? Para sa mga beginner or hindi mo pa alam paano ba yan nag-work si mutual fund. Okay? So tayo to, no? We become part of IMG, no? For us to invest in stock market, magiging investor tayo. So yung pera natin is being pulled by the fund house, no? Or yung mutual fund company. And then meron yan silang ina-appoint na fund managers, no? Na mga expert, no? 10, 20, 30 years, no? Sa kanilang pagiging fund manager. So sila yung mas may alam saan i-invest yung pera natin, 'di ba? So yung pera natin dito, no, ini-invest sa mga malalaking kumpanya na kilalang kilala natin, 'di ba? So ayan si Jollibee, BDO, 'di ba? SM, Ayala, no? So mga malalaking korporasyon sa Pilipinas at nag-generate yan ng income or return. So yung return is being passed back to us as an individual investor. So maganda yung mutual fund, especially kung busy ka, no? May trabaho ka, may negosyo ka, and you cannot afford the time, no? Na magtutok or 'di ba, magtingin sa magti-trade. Ayan, so invest in mutual fund. Kasi nga, 'di ba, mag-i-invest ka lang and then you wait for the return or the income. Kumikita na yung pera mo, no? And well, in fact, no, si SSS or the Social Security System invested 3 billion sa mutual fund noong 2018, no? So talagang legal, no? Hindi scam si mutual fund kasi nga yung mga malalaking kumpanya nag-i-invest din, no? Tayo naghuhulog kay SSS. Tapos yung pera din natin ini-invest sa mutual fund. So might as well ikaw din, no, mag-invest din tayo kung saan yung mga malalaking kumpanya niya nag-i-invest. Okay? So ano yung mga advantages? No, bakit preferable talaga si mutual fund? Kasi nga it is professionally managed, no? Kung tayo wala pang masyadong alam, 'di ba? Parang pagda-drive 'yan. Kung hindi mo pa alam, hindi ka pa expert paanong mag-drive, 'di ba talagang mababangga ka o hindi ka makakarating sa paparoonan mo. So let the expert, no, handle our funds, the managers. And it is very liquid. So you can withdraw anytime or you can redeem anytime. And it has a low initial investment requirement. Mag-member ka lang ng IMG, you can add on 20 pesos, 500, 1,000. O, diba? So, murang-mura na lang, no? Pangmasa talaga. And it is very transparent. No? You get your portal, your online access, nakikita mo yung portfolio mo. So, DIY, no? Do it yourself. Ikaw yung nag-i-invest, then you get to see the performance, no? Doon sa investment mo. And then, it is diversified. Ini-invest ito sa maraming korporasyon, no? Dito sa ating bansa. And forever, zero sales load or entry fee. Good thing, every time you add on to your investment, walang charges, no? Less of charge. At saka yung income or profits are tax exempt. Ayan. So, this is an individual statement of account, no? From one of our co-investors. Makasamahan nating investor. So, noong 2009, nag-invest siya ng 5,000 pesos kay PhilEquity, which is our partner company, no, dito sa IMG. So yung price niya or yung NAV, no, net asset value, that time, noong 2009, is 9 pesos pa lang. No, kaya nakabili siya ng 496 shares, no? Kano na ba yung price Nag-file equity noong 2018. So just go to pifa.com.ph. That's Philippine Investment Funds Association. Okay? So si Phil Equity Fund Inc., yung price niya noong 2018 is umabot na ng 41.6618. So ang laki, 'di ba? Nagtinaas from 9 pesos noong 2009 tapos 2018 naging 41 pesos na. So kumita na din tayo sa ating investment. Okay. So, yung 5,000, no, na ininvest natin noong 2009, ayan, na 9 pesos pa lang yung per share, ang mura, di ba? Noong 2018, naging 41 peso per share na. Kaya yung pera natin, no, naging 20,000, di ba? Less doon sa capital na 5,000, kumita tayo ng 15,664 over 9 years, no? And that's around 34.8 per year. So napakalaki talaga, no? Dito nga, hindi niya dinagdagan. How much more if we apply the peso cost averaging na every month, no? Consistent tayong nag-i-invest, talagang lalaki or malaki yung tubo or return ng ating pera and we can achieve, no, our financial goals. Ang kagandahan ngayon, no? Meron tayong mga benefits na makukuha kapag mag-member ng IMG. So, 3, no, out of the 62 benefits, napakadaming benefit ng IMG is ito. Free investment seminars, mutual fund at zero entry fee. Yun nga, nabanggit ko kanina, kapag magdadagdag tayo sa ating investment, wala na pong charges. Okay? At good news sa lahat ng mga members ngayon, di ba, automatically, they will receive an initial investment from Soldivo worth 1,000 pesos. Okay, so automatic na, no, magiging shareholder or magiging investor tayo. So dadagdagan na lang natin yon para lalago at mas lalaki yung 1,000. 'Di ba? Kung hahayaan natin, ang liit lang din ng tubo. So dapat dagdagan natin. Okay? At para sa mga gustong mag-invest, no, directly. So sa direct trading, so we can also access, no, through MyTrade. No, we have that online trading platform with free investment guidance, analysis, and updates sa MyTrade at Abacus Securities. O yan, kasi nga napakaganda kapag sa IMG, we bypass the middleman, meaning you get access to the financial companies directly. You enjoy discounts from the financial products you buy and you become your own money manager. Yun yung maganda, no? Walang middleman kasi outside IMG, tayo ito, no? Naghahanap tayo ng investments like mutual fund or healthcare or insurance. Kapag wala pa tayong alam, talagang pupunta tayo sa bank or maghahanap tayo ng broker or agent, no? Para maka-access dito sa mga investment and mutual fund ng mga companies. But always remember, the bank, the agent, the broker will earn commissions from the product you buy. No, of course, kaya mas mahal, no, yung mga financial products wherein sa IMG, kapag member tayo, yan, tayo ito, no? One-stop shop na, parang SM. Andito na siya lahat. You want investment? Diba? So you can get it. No? DIY na lang. Gusto mo ng healthcare? We have our partner companies. Real estate, life insurance, meaning lahat na financial na pangangailangan ng family mo, no, na pwede mo nang kunin dito sa IMG. No? Hindi mo na kailangang maghanap pa ng ibang broker or agent. So mas maganda kasi mas makaka-save or mas makaka-discount tayo, no? And the rest of the benefits of IMG, ang dami-dami pa nating masisave, no? Katulad nito ngayon, 'di ba? Usong-uso na yung mga rewards card like SM Advantage card, Robinsons Rewards card, 'di ba? Kapag member tayo diyan, then we get discounts every time we purchase their products. So same thing with IMG, no? Magpapa-member tayo sa IMG, we have that online card and then your financial na mga products, discounted ka every time you buy, no? Pa-member ka sa IMG lang. And of course, you can also become one of us, a financial educator, no? Have a part-time career, no? Katulad namin ngayon na tumutulong din sa ating mga kasamahang Pinoy, no? Para matutong mag-ipon. Ayan. So this is a sample, no? Screenshot from our portal. So every time mag-member tayo, then we will be given this access. So nasa portal, lahat ng benefits makikita natin. no? Like the Soldibo funds na na-discuss ko, you can view your portfolio and the rest of the benefits, no? Mga major benefits, andito na lahat online, no? Access. So, mas maganda, anytime pwede nating ma-check, no? So, this is our sample statement of account from the Soldivo Strategic Growth Fund. So, talagang transparent. Nakikita natin yung ating investment, yung galaw, yung growth, di ba? You add on. So, makikita din dyan. Kaya maganda, no? Kapag naka-online na. So, people who are members of IMG, the uniform personnel. Yan, marami na tayong naturuan, no? Especially mga teachers, di ba? Na right now, slowly, they are savings, no? Na habang binabayaran din yung mga utang, nag-i-invest na din. Natuturuan na din natin paanong mag-ipon at mag-invest. OFW, seafarers, ang dami-daming OFWs na mga Pinoy, no? Kung saan may Pinoy, andun talaga si IMG, and we do this every day, no? We have webinar special na mga events para lang talaga maturuan yung ating mga kapwa Pilipino, and as early as possible para din sa mga millennials, no? Na by the time, di ba, they earn their own income, then alam na nila, no, paano i-manage, di ba? At mas maganda yung financial journey nila, and they can retire young, di ba? So I hope meron tayong natutunan at may apply iyon, no? And I want to leave this quote from Bruce Lee. Sabi niya, knowing is not enough, we must apply. Willing is not enough, we must do, no? So hindi lang pwede na aral lang. We need to execute, no? So this time, you need to pay yourself, no? With whatever financial struggles we have right now, talagang may solusyon yan, no? You just need to really start, no? Para unti-unting masolusyonan. So the solution company is here, no? IMG. And we are more than willing to guide you and help you with your situation right now. Kung gusto mo nang maging IMG member to start your investments sa mutual fund, you ask the person who invited you para ma-assist ka at masimulan na natin ngayon. Okay, so thank you everyone. Hopefully may natutunan tayo at may apply. So once again, I'm your financial educator, no, a proud IMG financial educator for 6 years. I'm Jadelyn Reyes. You can email me, ayan, at you can also contact me. So thank you, God bless, and stay safe everyone.